Yes, Kia, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir. I got 1 by 2 in this.
Okay,
For the first one, sir.
1 by 2. A coin is tossed once. What is the probability of getting tail? Fine. What's the total outcome?
So the total outcome is 2, sir.
2. And probability of getting tail?
It's 1, sir.
Yeah, don't mute the call. The probability of
Yes, sir.
getting tail is 1 by 2. So correct. A is the answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Second.
So for the second one, I got C, sir.
Okay, the set from which the values of a variable x are chosen so as to satisfy a given equation. Equation is called. What was the answer?
Sir, I wrote a replacement set.
Yeah,
sir.
replacement set. Okay, a set from which the value of the variable x are chosen. Okay, so as to satisfy a given inequation is. Okay, replacement set, right? In question they give you replacement
Yes,
set.
sir.
From there you find the solution set. Okay, it's not power
Yes,
or
sir.
universal. Next, third question. How do you solve this, Kia?
Third question, 15, sir.
How do you solve it?
So we have to move 2x to the left side and minus 5x to the right side. So
Okay.
2x will be minus 2x is equal to x plus 5.
8 plus 5. Next.
Yes, sir.
You told 15.
13.
What's the answer? 15 or 13?
13.
You told it as 15, right?
Yes, sir.
Why? Why, Kia, is the question?
I wrote 15, sir.
See, your calculation is correct, and why 15? Silly mistake, right? You've lost 1 mark. Okay, 3x.
Yes, sir.
8 plus 5 is 15 or 13?
13, sir.
Then you know how to do and what is this? Okay, fine, that was wrong. Tell me the next one.
So the next one I wrote D, sir.
Explain. X cube minus x. Factorize this. When you factorize, what is common?
You have to keep x separately, sir.
X is common. What do you get?
You have to x plus 1, sir, because nothing is common. I mean, both of them get cancelled, so it's 1.
No. If I take x out from these two, what do I get? X common. When you divide, what's the remainder you get?
X square, sir.
X square minus?
X square minus 1.
1. Then what is this x square minus 1? How does it look like?
X to the whole square, sir.
Isn't it? Yeah, correct. X to the whole square. A square minus b square?
Yes, sir.
So it is a x square minus 1 square?
Yes, sir.
What do you get for that?
X plus 1, x minus 1.
X plus 1 into? Very good. What did you mark?
I marked the correct answer, sir.
D
Same
is
thing.
the answer. Okay, next. Next, what's the answer for a plus b into a minus b? Such a simple question. Fifth one?
A square minus b square.
A square minus b square. B is the option. Next question. A is to b is equals to b is to c.
B.
Okay, so a by b.
Yes.
What's the answer for a by b?
A by b.
See, a is to b. A is to b is equals to b is to c, Kia. Okay, what
Yes,
does
sir.
this symbol? This is to symbol is what?
This 2 is
You
division, sir.
You divide it, so it becomes a divided by
Yes,
b
sir.
should be equal to b divided by
A B divided.
It's actually B divided by C. Wait, that. Simple question. You have to just divide it. What was the answer you got? What did you write?
Same thing, sir.
What same thing? Which one? Which option? There are 4 options given.
Option A, sir.
Option A, B by C. Okay. See, I told you all right. Is to symbol is for division. A divided by B is equals to B divided by C. Okay, next question. Explain the next one. Fine. Next one, there is a concept. I'll explain that later when Abigail and Bhargavi attend.
Sir, for the 7th one, I wrote linear inequation, sir.
Okay, linear. Okay, see all this 7, 8, 9, 10 I'll explain. We'll do it tomorrow. Okay, we'll start solving few questions. Question 2. Explain this, Kia. Factorize.
Yes,
How
sir.
do you factorize? You explain.
So from 6 and 4, we have to take 2. 2 is the common value, and then x is also common. So 2x, and in the bracket, it will be 3y minus 2z.
Very good. 3y minus 2z. So you have 2 questions. What is it? 2?
Yes, sir. Each is 1 mark.
Each 1 mark. So simple question. You'll get 1 mark for this. Next one. Explain the next one.
Next one, no number is common, sir. So we have to take x. X, and in the bracket 2x square plus x minus 4.
Very good. 2x square plus x minus 4. Nothing is common, right?
Yes,
nothing
sir.
else is common. So good. Factorization. Okay, we have given many questions like this. So for both you'll get marks. Next, probability question. A die is rolled once, correct?
Yes.
What is the possible outcomes for a die?
We can get 6 possible outcomes.
Yes,
sir.
total possible is 6 outcome. Total possible outcomes are 6. So first question,
yes,
here. First question. Probability of odd number. I'll write P of odd. So out of 6, what are the odd numbers we have?
1, 3 and 5.
Total how many odd numbers?
3, sir.
3. What is the probability? 3 by 6. Correct?
2 by 6.
So the concept was
1 by 2, sir.
Correct. 1 by 2 is the answer. A roll is die. A die is rolled once. What is the probability of getting an odd number? So we have 3 odd numbers. Total there are 6 numbers, right? Total there are
yes,
6
sir.
numbers. In that, once when you roll once, you get 1 divided by 6. Out of 6 you get 1 plus. The second time you roll, you get which number you get? The second time you roll, you get 3 divided by
3 divided by 6.
Yeah, you get the third number, not 3 divided by 6. You get the third odd number. Again, that is 1 plus. The next time you roll, what's the other odd number you get?
1 by 6.
Yeah, 5, right? You get 5. So that is also 1 by 6. So this is the actual concept. You take 6, 3. Total you get 3 by 6. When you reduce, what do you get?
2 by 3.
No.
I mean 1 by 2.
1 by 2. The answer is 1 by 2. Good. 1 by 2. Tell me the next one.
The next one is composite numbers, sir. Composite numbers are numbers that are the opposite of a prime number.
Okay. Okay. Then what is prime number? Prime number is opposite of composite. Is that the way to answer?
Sir, no, sir. They are numbers like they get divided with other numbers.
Okay, they get divided by other numbers. So prime number is divisible by just 1 and itself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me all the composite numbers from 1 to 6.
Yes, sir. They are 4 and 6.
Yes, composite are 4 and 6. Okay. So total possible outcomes are 6. In that, what are the composite numbers? 4 and
4
6.
and 6.
So when you roll the die, how many times you get 4 and 6? Should I write 4 plus 6 here? Is it correct?
No, sir.
Then
2 by 6.
2 by 6. So total 4 and 6 you get twice. 2 by 6. The answer is 1 by 3.
1 by 3.
Okay, they have given simple question. I think you had this in textbook, right?
Yes, sir.
1 by 3. Next question. Tell me the next one. A number less than 5.
Yes, sir. So it is 1, 2, 3 and 4, sir.
Total how many numbers are there? Total 4 numbers.
4, sir.
So the answer is
2 by 3.
very good. Next, multiple of 3.
Multiple of 3 is only 2 and 6.
Multiple of 3. Multiple of 3.
Yes, sir. It's only 3 and 6.
3 and 6.
So 2 by 6.
Multiples of 3 meaning is 3 into 1, 3 into 2. What are the answers we get? 3 and
6.
3 and 6. So in this die, we have only 3 and 6, 2 values. So the answer is 2 by
6.
1 by
3.
1 by 3. Very good. See, the same question we have got, right, which I had given for test. Divide 810.
Yes, sir.
How do you solve this? How did you do it? First, ratios are given.
Sir,
1 by 4.
I can tell you the answers I got, sir.
No. First, explain this.
Oh, yes, sir. So we have to first make the mixed fraction into normal, into an improper fraction, sir.
Okay.
That is 11 by 8.
11 by 8. Next.
Sir, then we have to take the LCM.
Yes, sir. Correct. See, take your time and answer here. It's just been 1 week, right? So I think you remember the concept. So what's the LCM?
One second, sir. Sir, it's
No,
20, sir.
look at the screen and answer. I've written. What's the next step?
Yes, sir. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4.
What about 5?
And 5 will be carried down.
Next. Okay, 5 1 2
5
and 2 1 1. Correct.
1s are 5.
So
Yes,
what's
sir.
the LCM?
40, sir.
LCM is 40, not 20. Right? So once
Yes.
you get LCM, what do you do?
Yes. We have to multiply the LCM with each of the fractions.
Okay. Why are we doing all this? Yeah, what's the reason? Why did we take LCM?
Sir, so that we get the same numbers.
No, not same numbers. I told you one more point. We always take LCM to eliminate which one?
The denominator, sir.
Yes, denominator. If you take LCM, the denominators gets eliminated, correct?
Yes, sir.
So what do you get?
Sir, 10, 8 and
5.
yes, sir.
Then when you multiply, you get 10 is to 16 is to
10 is to 16 is to 55.
55. So these are the three ratio. We took LCM to reduce the denominator so that we have only the numerators, right?
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes,
810 here, this 810 is split for ABC in what ratio? 10 is to 16 is to 55.
55.
Okay, let me check. 8 1 is 8, 11 by 8. You written these are great. I think you have gone wrong with LCM. What's the answer you got for LCM?
Sir, no, sir, I got like when I divided it, I did this and I did it a little further, sir. So I got 100, 160, and 550, which all equal to 810.
Okay, that is what you have written.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answers you got. 100,
100, 160, and 550.
is it 550? It looks like 650. I've written 550.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us check. These are the answers. Whether you got these are. I mean, these are the answers or what? Okay. So this is the ratio here. Now what do you do? What's the next step after getting the ratio? What is A's value?
Sir, A's value is 10, sir.
No, how do you solve next? Ratio is given. What's the formula? Total amount.
Yes, sir. Uh, 810 into 10 by we have to add all of these.
Yes,
three.
all the three, correct. What's the formula I told? 810 into specific value, A's value, A's ratio divided by total ratio.
Yes, sir.
What's the total ratio? 55?
81, sir.
81. 55, 55, 75, 80. How many times it gets cancelled?
10 times, sir.
10. So 10 into 10?
100.
100. Very good. So you have done it right. 4 marks question. A is 100. What about B? 810 into?
810 into 16 by 81.
16 by 81. So B is specific value divided by 81. Correct. 16 divided by 81. Again 10 times. 10 into 16 is 160.
160.
Yeah. For C?
It's 550. 55 by 81.
Very good. This 55 into
Yes,
10
sir.
is 550. Okay, good, Kia. So you have written the answers here, right? 100, 150.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I thought that was 650. I thought you have gone wrong. Okay, these are the correct answers. 100, 160 and 550. So you'll get 4 marks for that. Good. Next.
Yes, sir.
I remember this question for test. Even the same question. When we have done it.
Yes, sir. The
Yeah.
same question came. Yes, sir.
Simple question, they win for 3 marks. So how do you solve this? Can you explain?
Yes, sir. We have to multiply. We have to remove the brackets. So 3t minus 50.
Yeah, you can go on. Be a bit quick. 3t
Yes,
minus
sir.
15.
16. Minus 16t to 12 minus 2t plus 6.
Those are 6. Next.
So then we have to put all of them together, sir.
Yeah, arrange them together.
Plus 3t minus 16t plus 2t is equal to 12 12 plus 6 by 12 plus 6 plus 15.
Plus 15. Okay, next.
So then we have to add the like terms. So 5t, 16 minus 5 is minus 11t.
What did you write? Minus 11 or plus 11t?
Minus 11t.
Very good. Minus 11t this side.
Sir, then
Add all.
31.
Add properly. 12
Yes.
plus 6 is 18. Okay, if not 15 plus 6, how much is 15 plus 6? 21.
21.
21 plus 12 is 33. What did you get? Remember?
Yes. 33.
Okay, so t is equals to 33. This minus 11 goes down. The answer is minus 3.
3, sir.
3 will go and get full marks. It is minus. What do you do with the minus?
Sir, I wrote it.
So what's the final answer, Kia? Plus 3 or minus 3?
Minus 3, sir.
Okay, minus 3. Fine. Good. Till here you have done it right. Next is the next one. Factorization question. Okay, can you factorize this? How do you solve this?
Yes, sir.
Which method you used?
There's nothing common, sir, so we have to take it as 1.
Okay. Why do you take 1?
Oh, sorry, sir.
There are 3 terms, right?
Yes, sir. I got the answer, sir.
The answer, how do you know that that is the answer? There are just 3 terms. Kia, how do you solve for 3 terms question? Which method I have taught you? When there are 3 terms.
That's splitting method.
Splitting method.
Splitting method.
Yeah, split. For splitting method, what you do?
M's. Oh, yes, sir.
How do you
We
split?
have to find the factors of 40, sir.
Yes. What are the factors? 1 into 40.
1 into 40, 2 into 20.
Okay.
4 into 10. 5 into 8. 5 into 8.
5 into 8. Next.
Yes, sir.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Does it go?
No, sir, nothing goes.
See, 5 into 8, 8 into 5. Both are same.
Yes, sir.
Let me share the screen. What about your friends, Kia? How did your friends do?
Sir, the paper was easy for everybody, sir.
It's easy. Okay. So 5 into 8. Then after that?
That's all, sir.
Now, how do you check this? 3m. Which combination will give you 3m?
5 into 8, sir.
5 into
5
8.
minus 8.
Yes. So other numbers, we just ignore other numbers. Now tell me which combination will give minus 3m. Is it plus 5, minus 8, minus 5, minus 8? What gives?
Minus. Yes, sir. Minus 8 and plus 5.
Minus 8 and?
Plus 5.
Yes, correct. Minus 8 plus 5. So what are the numbers? This middle term gets split into what two numbers?
Minus 8 and plus 5.
Okay, I'll write it as plus 5m minus 8m. Then m square remains as it is, right? M square and minus 40.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Now we have to group.
Yeah, group it. What do you get? What is common?
M in the bracket. Yes, sir. M in the bracket. M plus 5.
Next. Which is the first sign?
First sign is minus, sir.
Minus. Then what is common? Eight m and 40. 8 and 40. What is common?
4, sir.
Check properly. Is it 4? How do you check the common values, Kia? Which method we use to check common value?
HCF, sir.
So 8 and 40. How do you check?
2, sir.
2. Next. 2 is common.
Sir,
What do you?
so 2 will be, yes, sir.
2 4s are 2, 20, right? Next, what is common?
So 2 is common, sir.
Again, 2 is common. Next. Next, what is common here?
So here also 2 is common, sir.
2 is common, 1 and 5. So you can't take 5. That becomes LCM method, right? So what is the HCF
Yes, sir.
here? What's the HCF?
8, sir.
8. You got the answer correct, but why did you tell 4? What's the HCF?
8, sir.
Okay, remainder?
Remainder is m minus 5.
No, reduce. Do it properly.
M plus 5.
What do you get? Plus 5.
M plus 5.
So again, what's the final answer?
M plus 5 into m minus 8.
Okay, this is also fine. Or you can write m minus 8 into m plus 5. This is also fine. You have written the answer. You have written m minus 5 into m plus 8. Okay, your answer is correct. How did you do that? Using splitting method or?
Yes, sir. Same splitting method only.
Okay, that answer is correct. Then why didn't you answer when I asked?
Sir, I was saying, sir.
Fine, Kia. Next question. Which method again? Next one.
Sir, splitting methods.
Same splitting. That is sum and product, right? Basically, you call it as sum and product. So which one you have to find?
Yes.
Plus 24x square. You have to find the factors of 24. What are the factors? What are the factors of 24, Kia? You're on mute. Unmute the call.
Oh, yes, sir. 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. That's all, sir.
That's all. Other things are repeated, right? 6 gets repeated, 8 gets repeated.
Yes, sir.
Which combination gives you 10? When you add and subtract out of these 4, which combination gives 10?
4 into 6, sir.
Okay. What
We
about
have to add 4 into
2
6.
and 12? It's a tricky, tough question actually. Not tough, tricky question. What about 2 and 12? Even 2 and 12, when you subtract 12 and 2, do we get 10?
Yes, sir. But I tried it with 2 and 12, but it was a little complicated, sir.
Yeah, that's what. So
4
this
and
was
6 was easier.
okay. 2 and 12, 4 and 6. Let us check both the numbers. 2, 12, 4 and 6. Okay, write all the combination. Minus 2, minus 12, minus 2 plus 12. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Plus 2 minus 12. Plus 2 plus 12. Here minus 4 plus 6. Minus 4 minus 6. Plus 4 plus 6. Plus 4 minus 6. Yeah. Now tell me the combination for the first one. Do we get minus 10? Minus 2 and minus 12 gives...
Yes, sir.
No. Minus 2 and minus 12. What do we get? When you add them?
We get plus 10x.
Minus 2 minus 12. Yeah. Add them.
Plus 14x.
So minus 14. Is it correct?
No, sir.
Next. Minus 2 plus 12. What do you get? Tell me with the sign.
Plus 10x, sir.
Plus 10. Is it plus 10 or minus 10?
Minus 10, sir.
Okay. But you're getting plus 10. That is not correct. Next. For this, plus 2 minus 12. What do you get?
Minus 10x.
Okay. For this, we are getting minus. Remember that. Next, last one.
Yes, sir.
Last one is?
Sir, we're getting
14.
14x.
Okay,
sir.
that is also not. So is this correct? Plus 2 minus 12?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it has to satisfy two conditions. When you add, you have to get minus. When you multiply, what you have to get?
24.
Plus or minus?
Plus 20.
Yeah, but what are we getting here when you multiply?
Minus 20.
Minus 24. So this is not correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's it. So those two numbers are not correct. We'll check with 4 and 6 as you did. What about the first one? Are we getting minus 10?
Yes.
Check,
No,
check
sir.
properly. Okay, second one, minus 4, minus 6.
Yes, sir. But we are getting minus 24.
Multiply. What is minus into minus?
Plus, sir.
So tell me which number is correct?
Minus 4, minus 6.
Are we getting minus 10x and plus 24? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so other two just ignore. What are the two numbers you have to split the middle term into?
Minus 4,
minus 4x
6x.
minus 6x plus 24.
Minus 6x.
What did you take?
Yes, sir. I took the same thing, sir.
Very good. Then
I
it's
took 4.
correct. See, this was complicated, right? You have to choose 4 and 6 and between 2 and 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sometimes 4 and 6 might not go. 2 and 10 might be okay. It might be correct. You have to check both the values. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now after this,
You have to group it, sir.
yeah, when you group the first two, what do you get? X is common.
X is common. X minus 2.
Wait, 4. Where 2?
Oh, yes, sir. X minus 4.
Next.
Yes, sir.
First sign is minus. What is common?
2 is common, sir.
HCF method. Use HCF and tell me.
Yes, sir.
You tell me, I'll write it.
Yes, sir. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 12s are 24.
Okay, next.
Sir, then 3, sir. So 3 1s are 3 4s are
Okay, what's the HCF?
6.
Yeah, it is 6, not 2. Okay, 6 is the HCF.
Yes, sir.
What's the remainder? Divide this. See, one more trick. Once you divide, most of the time you get the same value, Kia. X minus 4. Check.
Yes, sir. X minus 4.
Yeah, only sometimes 90% of the time you'll get same value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Only sometime it might go different. That is x minus, instead of x minus 4, you'll get x plus 4. Okay, next, what is common? What is common to them?
X minus 4, X
Minus
into X minus 6.
Yes, but I think for 4 marks they have given 2 questions, right?
Yes, sir. So each question is 2
2
marks.
marks. For 2 marks, this is lengthy what they have given. Okay, anyway,
Yes, sir.
see, x minus 4, you can write even like this, x minus 6 into x minus 4. Both are correct. Okay, do you remember the answer? What did you get?
Sir, I got this, sir, because I remember doing this and writing this
Okay, fine.
X minus 6.
Fine, Kia.
Yes,
Just
sir.
make a note of all the answers. Wednesday, when ma'am gives your paper, you can
Okay,
just
sir.
cross check once.
Yes, sir, sure.
And if you have gone wrong, or if ma'am hasn't given by mistake, if she hasn't given marks anywhere, you can just claim.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
check all your paper. 1 or 2 marks. If any addition has gone wrong, you can just ask her. Okay, last question. We'll try this last. Remaining questions we'll do it tomorrow. Yeah, tell me the
Okay,
third
sir.
question. Question 3, third one. If x belongs to z, what is z? What do you mean by z?
Integer, sir.
Integer. Now find the value of x. Which chapter is this?
Linear inequations.
Yeah. How come linear inequation? Why
Because
linear?
there is
Yeah.
an inequality, sir.
Yes,
Greater than.
inequality. Greater and
I mean,
lesser,
lesser
right?
than.
Yeah. If it was
Okay,
equal,
sir.
then which chapter? If it was equal to sign?
Then it would be equations, sir. Linear equations.
Very good. This is inequation. What are the rules we follow for linear inequation?
If there is in multiplication and division, if there's a negative number, then we have the sign will change.
Yes.
The inequality
Inequality
will change.
sign will change. Only these two concepts, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, now explain this, Kia.
Yes, sir. So 5 will move to the right side and x will move to the left. So minus 4x plus x. Yes, sir. Now when we do it, it will be minus, yes, sir, minus 3x is lesser than 5.
Next.
X is greater than 5 by minus 3.
Why greater than?
Because there's a negative number that's
So
moved.
we are dividing the negative value. This becomes greater, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 5 divided by 3. What do you get for 5 divided by 3? X
1
is
second, sir.
greater than minus 1 point. Yeah, try this key.
1.6.
It goes on, right? 1.666 it goes on.
Yes, sir.
So take it as 1.6. Now, which side is the arrow facing towards? Left or right in equation?
It's pointing to the right side, sir.
Right side, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me all the integers. Tell me how do you name the integers? What are integers?
Minus 1, minus 2, 0, minus 1, 2. Like
Okay.
that, sir.
Left hand side minus, right hand side?
Plus.
Plus. Now 1.6. Where does minus 1.6 lie?
It lies between minus 1 and minus 2, sir.
Very good. Here?
Yes, sir.
And the arrow is facing towards right hand side. All the numbers you have to take after 1.6. What are the numbers?
Minus 1, 0.
Very good. 1, 2,
1,
just put
2,
few dots.
3.
What does these dots
Yes, sir.
indicate?
Infinity.
Yeah, infinite numbers. The numbers goes on infinite. Okay. So good, Kia. The first main is correct. Second main 10 marks. Both are correct.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And MCQ till we did 6 MCQs. All 5 were correct. One you had answered wrong. The third one right.
Yes, sir. 1 was wrong.
One was wrong. Okay. Remaining we have 3. These are important. I have to explain the concept. Let Abigail Bhargavi attend tomorrow. I'll explain this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 7 to 10. Then fourth and fifth. 2 mains are left.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me stop sharing. Just a minute. The remaining questions we'll do it tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Good evening.